Pinaksuy nga pula, Kadumahan Film Creative. Upuang de Golong, 25 Films. Tiil ni Lola, Arcine Films. Nilagang Baka, 300 Pictures. Can a Flower Forgive, Alas 12 Productions. Unti-unti ni Malinaw Production. Bahay-Bahayan, Safe House Production. Hibik sa Entablado, MCGI NCR Productions. Ang diwatan ng pagkakapantay-pantay ng PDF ng Doom Production. Auto Perfect Apares, Alagwa Motion Pictures. Kung sakali man, SAU Studios. St. Thomas, Cine True Films. Higit sa mga salita, Siete Films. Menudo, Alatala Productions. Sandaling Katahimikan, Filmmakers of Today. Tuod si Teddy, Laton-Laton Collective. Sambal Kakaku, One Roof Productions. Sa Dilim, May Liwanag, Artistic Minds Production Incorporated. Barker, 12 AM. Pangarap na Entablado, MKG Film and Production. Not Seen But Felt, Rocket Studios. Kung paano muling makikita, 3,500 Productions. Tumingala muli, Likasyon Production. Ballads of a Blind Man, CVP. True A Viewfinder, CVP. Uy, Magic, AFH Films. A Special Love, NCR Core Production. Para-paraan, Out of the Box. Moya, Salaysay Original Production. Pitik, Jerry Films. The Clock, Filipino Dev Star Works. A Widow to the Window, Alamat ng Saga. Gubli, One Man Films. What We Left on the Shelf, Afterworld Productions. Lost Mobility, Walking Street Bistro. Nasiod sa Darangkol nga Pukot, Creative Shots Productions. Gilantaw ko ang wala na di-ay, Avirians Production. Unheard, Avirians Production. Daku Gamay, Karasiner Production. Katulad mo rin ako, Rebel Films 413 Cinema. Crossing Paths, Chapsuy Production, Rebel Films. I'm the Jellyfish That Swims in the Waves, DDC Films and Sarok Short Film Festival. Kabilang linya, lahat ng bata, Last Bite Digital. Hindi lahat ng paro-paro lumilipad, Oxman Ox Production. The Room, Details Creatives.